Today we're going to show you how to make instant Audible audiobooks without voice talent or voiceover artists needed. So look, right now inside of Amazon, they have the Create an Audiobook in Minutes. And so you can choose an eligible ebook from your bookshelf and it will create an Audible audiobook with their new virtual voice. I've already tested this out and it's actually remarkable how clean it sounds when they're reading your book. So right here, we've got one of our best-selling books, YouTube Research Growth Course Guide. This is our YouTube ranking book. And you'll see here it says your ebook is eligible for an audiobook. So we're gonna go ahead and add audiobook with virtual voice. So we're gonna click here. And then it's going to go ahead and load this up. And this is going to be for Audible. You see it's got the Audible symbol here. And this is the audiobook with virtual voice. So we're going to come down here and we're going to go ahead and select the voices that we like.
His manner was not effusive.
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 All right.
It seldom was. But he was glad, I think, to see me.
All right, we're going to go with that one. We're going to go with American English 3. But look, you can actually explore voices, and they have a ton of voices, almost like 50 or 60 different voices that you can choose from. And you can also filter here at the top. So you can say accent, American English, Australian English, British English, and Southern American. And we also have feminine or masculine, and we have age ranges, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, which is pretty remarkable. And before, they were never allowing AI voices, but these AI voices are pretty spot on. It's pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and select our voice. We're gonna say audiobook cover. It's going to create your audiobook cover from your current Kindle ebook cover, so you don't have to make a cover for it. KDP Select enrollment. Your ebook is currently enrolled in KDP Select, so your audiobook has also been enrolled to maximize multi-format selection for your customers. So you're gonna also get wider distribution here, which is really nice. We're gonna have pricing and royalties. Now, with this one here, is competing with other books that are running anywhere from $14 to $25, but for the audiobook, I'm just gonna go ahead and run it at $9.99. And we're allowed to do between $3.99 and $14.99. So right here, if I sell the audiobook, I'll make $4. If they do it as an ebook add-on, they can go ahead and get it for $1.99 and I'll get 80 cents. Or they can get it on audible.com and I'll get $4 and it will go for $9.99. And the great thing about this is if you ever did traditional audiobooks on Audible, you were not allowed to select the price. They selected the price for you based on the number of minutes that was in there. So it didn't matter what kind of content that you had to go by what they were giving. So this, we can actually get better royalties depending on what we get if we do it between $3.99 and $14.99. All right, so now we go ahead and open the virtual voice studio and it's gonna let us go ahead and have it read through different sections and it's gonna let us change specific places. So if we need to change how it goes, we can go ahead and do that. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and go to the opening credits. We see here, this is going to be the title, and so we're going to say reading locations, and we are going to, okay, so it has the book title. It has the book title, and then we have the opening credits, and then we're going to go ahead and have our book. So right here, we're going to go ahead and add a start location. All right, so this is the start location for our book. It's going to go ahead and read through the entire book. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to sections where we want to go ahead and find out if it's something that we want to hear or we don't want to hear. So let's just go ahead and hear a sample real quick.
YouTube Channel Foundation, Expert Channel Setup. Hey there, future YouTube star. Today, we're laying the groundwork to build your authority channel. Think of it as building a house. We need a solid foundation before we can put up the walls and decorate.
So I love that. I love that. So we're going to come through here and we're going to go ahead and see if there's anything that might stand out that we are going to need to change. All right, let's see what this says. Let's see. All right, so this one is not going to read it, so that's good. So it doesn't read emojis, so that's nice. All right, so we're going to come through here and we're just going to go through each section and make sure there is not anything that looks out of the ordinary. All right, now let's see here. So we're going to say, we're going to go ahead and spell it out. All right, let's go ahead and see.
https://justdeal.info/vidic.
All right, so let's listen to this one. Let's see.
Justdeal.info/vidiq.
Oh, that's wonderful. So look, so let's listen to it one more time.
Justdeal.info/vidiq.
All right, so what we're going to do, info, and then we're going to go ahead and start it over. So we'll have a period. Let's listen to it one more time.
Justdeal.info/vidiq.
So that's perfect. And then right here, we can apply it to all the instances. So there are 6 instances of this right here, and we can change them all automatically, which is awesome. So we're going to go ahead and apply that pronunciation. All right, and then let's go ahead and go down to the next one. So we're going to go ahead and change it on any of our links, which is great. All right, so this is going to be ready. This is going to be ready. All right, so let's listen to this and make sure it says AI. Ooh, let's see. That's interesting. It doesn't say. Let's see. Okay, so let's look at AI here. Let's see.
AI, Presenter.
So it says AI, but this is interesting because it doesn't, I don't think it says anything inside of the quotations. Let's see.
Voiceover, videos, AI or my own.
Okay.
And AI.
So it does. So we don't have to change that. So that's nice. All right. So we have this guy here. We're going to go ahead and edit it. Any kind of links that we do. Okay. So we're going to say just deal. We're going to do a period before a forward slash.
Justdeal.info/descript.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. All right. So I'm going to actually copy this because this is where all of my links go to. And then we're going to apply the pronunciation. So that's nice. So let's go ahead and go through here. Let's see if there's anything else crazy that we have. All right. So we have this one. Oh, I love it. This is so easy. This is so easy to use. All right. All right. There we go. Okay. Once again, we got another link. And I love that it's going to do all of them for us, which is pretty great. Maybe I only did this once. Let's see. Okay. This is so easy to get through here and edit this. All right. Okay. Oh, this is so cool that you can quickly go through it and see everything that you're doing. So this one, you see here where it's already changed. It shows you in the purple setup here. Shows you in the purple setup. Purple or blue. I'm kind of colorblind. Let's see. Yep. So it's already changed for us. That is so nice. Okay. All right. So we're going to change this one. AHREF. AHREF. Okay. So we're going to make it simple for people while they're listening. Okay.
Pieces2growth.com.
All right, so that doesn't sound the way we want it, so let's go ahead and see if we can change it with some periods here. Let's see what it sounds like.
PCS2growth.com.
Ah, that's wonderful. I love it. And it's going to change it in the two different places for us. So that is good. All right, we already changed this one. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, add pause. Okay, so let's see what this sounds like. No. Will it let you do multiple lines? No, it's not letting you do multiple lines. Let's see. Okay. We're almost there. We're cooking right through this whole audiobook, which is pretty cool. All right, here we go. So that one's already done.
Advanced traffic secret.
So it actually pooled my content here. It's not actually here, which is okay. So let's see here. Okay, we're doing good. Almost there. Okay. Breakdown of how to build. Okay. Oh, this is cooking along so easy. I love this. This is so easy. Okay. Now it's time. Let's see. Oh my goodness. This is so great. Okay, so here we go. I love it. Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. All right, so look, once again, we're going to go ahead and put here and then video and views so we can change that. Okay, so that's changed. We got this one here. I love how easy and simple this is. /real CTR views. All right, let's see how it sounds.
Justdeal.info/real CTR views.
Wow, that's amazing. All right, we're still going. Still going. We're almost to the end. And you know what? Over here, let's see. Advanced traffic secret. Okay, so we're going to do this. We're going to change it back here.
Advanced traffic secret.
All right, so there we go. So we are almost done. Let's see. Every video. We got that one. Okay. Wow, I love how quickly we're moving through this book. It's pretty great. Okay, so we're going to change this one right here. Just put the dot in there. Okay, awesome. Oh, I love this. This is actually so fast.
Justdeal.forward/DFY suite.
All right. Okay, this one's already done. Okay, okay. This is it. This is it. All right, here we go. All right, looks like we're about to finish this book here. So we have this one. PCS2 Grow. All right, 5-star book reviewer. All right, there we go. And I think that's it. All right, and so let's see. We got this here. Reading locations. Okay, so we have our start location. I think that we're good. Let's see. Let's just make sure. Let's have it read a section. This is our start location. I'm going to go ahead and have it read this section, and then I'm going to go ahead and confirm that it works, and then we'll come back. So we went through and verified everything. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and click Publish Audiobook, and you see right here, it can take up to 72 hours for your audiobook to publish. Well, what is really great is the last audiobook that I published, it actually published it in maybe about 2 to 3 hours. So a couple of hours to a couple of days. But guess what? You just saved hundreds or thousands of dollars without having to get an audiobook narrator, and now you can get an additional stream of income on your book that you publish. So now you have a ebook, you have a printed book, you can also have a hardcover book, and you also have an audiobook. So 3 to 4 streams of income from your one work is gonna be awesome. So we go ahead and publish the book, and it's going to say done. And then after that, it has your book right here. It says how much you're going to list it for, and please wait up to 72 hours so that they can go ahead and get it on the marketplace for you. And remember, it's going to be on Amazon and Audible, so that's 2 more streams of income you're going to generate for absolute